Hi guys, என் பேர் Srinithi and நான் 12th ஸ்டாண்டர்டில் படிக்கிறேன் and நான் இன்னைக்கு ரொம்ப அல்யாரிங்கான கான்செப்ட் பற்றி பேச போகிறேன், that is metallurgyலேருந்து the topic process of refining. So let's move into the topic. So here I have the mind map for refining processes. So refining na என்ன? Definitions and typesல பார்ப்போம். So refining is the process of removing impurities in order to obtain the purest form of metal. இதில் I have 6 types of refining processes. Distillation, liquation, electrolysis, zone refining, vapor phase refining and chromatography. First, distillation. And this process is used for purifying metals with low boiling point. In the process, the metal is heated above the boiling point so that it can form vapors and condensed, leaving the impurities behind. Next is liquation process. So this process is used for purifying metals with low melting point. First, metals are converted into liquid state by supplying heat at a high temperature above their melting point. And pure metals melt on it flows down the furnace, leaving the impurities behind, and thus it is purified. Next is electrolysis process. There are two strips, impure and pure strip of metal. The pure metal is taken as cathode and then the impure metal is taken as anode. And both the metal strips are dipped in an electrolytic bath. And when electricity passes through the solution, settles as anode mud. And thus the metal is refined. Next is chromatography method. In this method, the crude mixture is put into liquid or gaseous medium. And then this medium is moved through an absorbent. Different components of the mixtures are adsorbed at different levels of the column. These components of the mixtures are removed by using suitable solvents. And thus the metals are purified. Next is zone refining process. In the process, impure metal is attached to circular mobile heater at one end. So heater move பண்ணும்போது the pure metal crystallizes out and the impurities pass out on the adjacent part of the metal. This way impurities get accumulated at one end and purifying the metal. Next is vapor phase refining. So vapor phase refining the metal should form a volatile compound in presence of a reagent and it should easily decompose in order to recover the metal. The volatile compound undergoes the decomposition in order to give the pure metal. So here is the diagram for distillation process and electrolysis process so that you can understand the concept more easier. So guys, we have come to the best part of the video and it's a quiz. So let me read the question one by one and give you few seconds for you to write the answer. So please try it yourself. First question. Name the method used for refining titanium. Second question. Name the method of refining metal like mercury. Third question. Reduction of metal oxide to metal becomes easier if the metal obtained is in liquid state. Why? Fourth question. Principle of method used for refining zinc. Fifth one. Name the method that is used for refining nickel. Sixth question. What is the principle of zone refining process? Seventh question. One metal that is purified by electrolytic refining process. Eighth question. Zone refining method is used for refining A, Al, B, Ge, C, Cu, D, Fe. Ninth question. In electro-refining of copper, some gold is produced as cathode mud, cathode deposit, anode deposit. Purest form of iron is cast iron, pig iron, wrought iron, steel. Eleventh question. Heating ore with carbon in the absence of air is known as reduction, carbon reduction, smelting, roasting. In extraction of copper from sulfide ore, the metal is formed by reduction of Cu2O with FeS, CO, Cu2S, SO2. Thirteenth question. 4m plus 8Cn plus H2O gives 4m Cn2 plus 4OH. Copper, iron, gold, zinc. Find the M. Extraction of gold and silver involves leaching with Cn-. Silver is later recovered by distillation, zone refining, displacement by zinc, liquation. The first step in extraction of copper from CuFeS2 is reduction of carbon, electrolysis of ore, roasting in O2, magnetic separation. Which ore can be best concentrated by flotation process? Malachite, cassiterite, galena, magnetite. Seventeenth question. Common impurities present in bauxite are CuO, ZnO, Fe2O3, SiO2. Eighteenth question. In the Froth flotation process, zinc sulfide and lead sulfide can be separated by using collectors, adjusting the proportion of oil to water, using depressant, using Froth stabilizers. Nineteenth question. For the metallurgy process, of which of the ores contained calcined ore can be reduced by carbon? Hematite, calamine, iron pyrites, sphalerite. Twentieth question. The super pure silicon can be obtained by fractional distillation, fractional crystallization, zone refining, solvent extraction. And in the end, I have the answers for the questions. I hope that you guys mostly got it all right. And this is the end of the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and you found it useful. If you guys found this video useful, please subscribe to Saitech channel and like the video. Thank you.